What was that?
What is that sound? We're getting reports of a worldwide phenomenon.
Reports are coming in tonight of unusual low-frequency vibrations detected across multiple regions of the planet.
Authorities urge citizens to remain calm.
Control, I need someone here, now. Come look at this. Look at the trench coordinates. They weren't there before.
Those are structures, moving structures.
Structures don't move.
That's not a vessel.
Could be thermal layer interference?
It's moving, like a swarm.
Teeth!
They're around us, all around us.
Cut external lights. Dive 200 meters now.
Command, this is Nautilus. We have contact. Unknown entities encircling the hull.
Sir, systems aren't failing. They're being affected.
We've tracked whales my whole career. This is not whales.
Could it be geological?
Geology doesn't answer back.
It sounds like communication.
I'm telling you, something down there just woke up.
We've had deep-sea cameras for decades. This is the first time the deep has looked organized. There's multiple species moving in formation. Not predators, not migration. It's like they're being called.
Called by what?
We are dealing with a confirmed extraterrestrial presence beneath our oceans.
How long have we known this was coming?
We've seen the projections for years.
How could we have stopped this?
The protocols are exhausted. And now it's too late.
Scientists are now admitting that certain factions knew about the plasma core anomaly for years. Ancient cultures spoke of this shift, and we didn't listen.
These are not currents. These are coordinated movements, thousands of them.
Whales?
No, the signatures don't match any known biological mass. It's like the seabed is breathing.
Breathing.
Look at the symmetry. It's responding to something.
It's not just tectonic. The planet's frequency is shifting. Our weapons are useless against this.
This isn't a war. It's an awakening.
presence beneath our oceans. Not geological, not biological treasure. If this information reaches the public unfiltered, we risk global panic within hours.
With respect, this isn't just a security issue. This is a planetary event. Humanity has the right to know.
Today, world leaders convene to address unprecedented global instability.
We're seeing anomalies in the deep ocean.
And an underground site is now under federal protection.
At this time, we cannot confirm intent.
Power grids in 3 regions failed simultaneously.
My fellow Americans, we are tracking unusual activity in the ocean and in remote underground sites. We do not have all the answers yet.